Your kidneys are essential to your health, helping to filter waste and maintain balance in the body. So why not give them a natural boost? In this video, we'll show you how an incredibly refreshing and simple drink can support kidney health and detoxification. By using nature's best ingredients, you'll be able to naturally promote kidney healing and overall wellness. Let's dive into how you can take control of your kidney health with a revitalizing, easy-to-make drink. Step 1. Identify the essential drink for kidney health. The key to a healthy kidney is hydration and detoxification. And the best way to achieve this naturally is with a combination of cucumber and lemon juice. Cucumbers are packed with water, which helps flush out toxins, while lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, prevents kidney stones and supports detox. Together, they create a powerhouse drink that aids kidney function and promotes hydration. It's a natural solution that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Step 2. Gather the necessary ingredients and tools. To get started, you'll need fresh cucumbers, lemons, water, and a blender or juicer. Using organic produce is a smart choice, ensuring the drink is as healthy as possible. Grab your measuring cups and a strainer for a smoother finish. With these tools, you'll be ready to prepare a drink that is both nourishing and effective for kidney health. Step 3. Prepare the cucumbers and lemons. Start by washing your cucumbers and lemons thoroughly to remove any pesticides. Peel the cucumbers if you prefer to reduce bitterness, and cut them into smaller pieces for easier blending. For the lemons, simply squeeze the juice and remove any seeds. This preparation process not only enhances flavor, but also maximizes the health benefits of the ingredients. Step 4. Blend the ingredients to create the drink. Now comes the fun part. Place your cucumber pieces, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and a cup of water into your blender. Blend everything until smooth and well combined. If you prefer a smoother consistency, you can use a fine mesh strainer to remove any pulp. And just like that, your delicious kidney-boosting drink is ready. Step 5. Serve and enjoy the drink. Pour your refreshing drink into a glass and add ice if you prefer it chilled. For extra flair, garnish with a slice of cucumber or lemon. Not only does this enhance the presentation, but it also adds a burst of flavor. Sip on this revitalizing drink daily to promote kidney health and hydrate your body, supporting natural detoxification every step of the way. Step 6. Discuss additional tips for kidney health. To take your kidney health to the next level, focus on maintaining a balanced diet full of fruits and vegetables, which provide essential nutrients and antioxidants. Stay hydrated with plenty of water throughout the day and limit salt intake to reduce kidney strain. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are also important to monitor your kidney function. Along with your cucumber lemon drink, these steps can make a major difference in your overall wellness. If you're ready to feel more energized and support your kidney health, give this refreshing drink a try. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know how you feel after adding this to your routine in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on healthy, natural juices. Link in the description. You won't want to miss out on more simple, effective ways to boost your health. In conclusion, the cucumber and lemon drink is a fantastic natural remedy that promotes hydration, detoxification, and supports kidney health. By adding this simple beverage to your routine, you're investing in your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from it. Plus, explore more content on our channel to discover even more ways to live a healthier life. Thank you for watching. Here's to better kidney health.